Welcome to Unit 1, where we will give you an overview of JBoss EAP. To start, we will cover Understanding EAP, as you can see from the slide. From there, we'll move on to a quick look at what is new in EAP 6. We'll then discuss the standalone mode versus domain mode, and also a brief intro to host versus server. You then have a quiz to help you identify the use cases for standalone versus domain, and a lab that gets you to install JBoss EAP. We then move on to a brief intro of the management options you have, discuss the basics of extensions, subsystems and JBoss profiles, and finish the unit with a lab that allows you to investigate the management console. Most of these topics will be discussed or revisited in further depth as we progress through this course, but let's get started. JBoss Enterprise Application Platform, or EAP for short, is the market-leading open-source Java EE application server. The EE in Java EE stands for Enterprise Edition and is used to reference the API, or Application Programming Interface libraries, that support enterprise-class applications. Standard Edition applications are typically written to run directly on the JVM, often have an associated GUI, and are typically single user and running locally on the user's own hardware. Java EE applications, on the other hand, run within the application hosting environment, the application server, which in turn runs on the JVM. So there's another layer in between the application and the hardware that it's running on. Enterprise Edition applications do not normally have GUI applications associated with them, although they will often have a web-based interface. Java EE applications are meant to be accessed by many clients concurrently, and as such normally run on server hardware that provides suitable runtime resources. Java EE applications are not directly executable. The application server is the runtime environment and is the thing that they run within. It provides a set of services that applications need to execute, such as security, transactions, threading and lifecycle management, naming services, resource pooling for resources like the database or messaging, and are often clustered to improve performance and resilience. The EE application hosting platform is what JBoss EAP is. JBoss EAP 6 is certified as a Java EE 6 application server. The version numbering is coincidental. Java EE 6 defines two profiles that application servers can choose to implement: the full profile or the web profile. These profiles define the default set of services that must be available for hosted applications. As you might guess from the names, the full profile consists of everything, while the web profile only includes services typically needed to support web applications. JBoss EAP supports both profiles and also makes it easy to define custom profiles as well. If you wish to learn more about all the services that may be provided on an app server, check out JSR 316.